After years of rumors, Uganda's gospel power couple Luzinda and Levixone has finally made it official. Uganda's biggest love rumors just turned into reality. For years they denied it, but the truth could not hide forever. Luzinda, the diva turned gospel queen, and Levixone, the slam boy turned superstar. Their paths crossed in music, but faith and love brought them together. On July 26, 2025, Levixone proposed and Desire said yes. Here is their summarized background. Desire Luzinda, born on 15th August 1984 in Uganda, Uganda, is a celebrated Uganda recording artist, songwriter, and philanthropist, now based in California. She began her career in 2006 with her first record, Nakowa Emikwano, achieving hits like Nkomyewo, Chitone, Echama, and so many collabos. Originally a secular pop star, her life took a spiritual turn in 2018 when she committed to gospel music and embraced her faith fully. In July 2021, she founded the Desire Luzinda Foundation International, aimed at empowering vulnerable teenage girls through education and mentorship. She resides in US with her daughter, Michelle Kadu. Levixone, born Sam Lucas Lubiongo, he was born on 7th December 1992. He grew up in the challenging environment of Kosovo, a slum in Kampala, Uganda. Raised by his mother among many siblings, he endured significant hardships early on, which shaped his resilience and resolve. He launched his musical journey with the hit single Nonyom around 2010, followed by popular tracks like Chikbombe, Tande Replay, Esala, and so many others. Beyond music, he co-founded the 92 Hands Foundation, dedicated to providing education, food, shelter, and skills to underprivileged children. Their journey together, from rumors to reality. For years, there were speculations about a relationship between them, despite Luzinda denying the rumors in early 2025, joking that she was happily single and raising Michelle. Their bond blossomed over time. On 26th July 2025, Levixone proposed and Desire said yes, officially confirming their engagement via heartfelt social media posts. The following day, they publicly announced their wedding date, which is 15th August 2025, which is this same week, during a church service at Fanero Ministry International, Kampala. And today, on 12th August 2025, they have had their beautiful introduction in Zimbabwe. Let's continue praying for them to have a good and successful marriage and raise godly children. Since it's a man of God and a woman of God, let them raise children of God. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.